I couldn't figure out how to update my TASCAM DR-10L, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Take out your micro SD card and then go to TASCAM's website to find the firmware software update. Once you download the newest file, whatever that may be, make sure you unzip that file and then plug in your micro SD card into your computer. Once you unzip the file, micro SD card on the right side, drag the document that has the updated file over, which would look like this. Once you do that, eject your micro SD card and put it back into your device. This is the most important part. Make sure you press enter and the plus volume while you turn the device on. This is super critical in this step. Once you do this, it will enable the update to ask you if you want to continue. SD mount, okay. You can press enter one more time and then press the button to the right of menu. This should start the process for updating the device. I've fast forwarded it here. It usually takes about 30 to 40 seconds on the two devices that I updated. Once that's good, it should say update completed, and then you can just go ahead and double check your files are good with the version number, and you should be good to now power off the device. And that's how you update your TASCAM DR-10L.